Welcome to Strategic Management, MAN 4723, the capstone course for the Bachelor of Applied Science degree in Supervision and Management. This course examines strategic management from 3 different perspectives. 1, analyzing an existing strategy. 2, formulating a new strategy based on changes internally and externally in the market. And 3, implementing that new strategy. An academic business portfolio that showcases your academic excellence and professional experience used to submit to graduate school and/or a prospective employer will be developed. The course also provides a capstone research experience by examining and finding alternative solutions for an existing business management issue of a publicly traded company. With the use of concepts and knowledge gained in the prior courses taken in this degree program, as well as this course. The course will also include a semester-long business simulation with teams leading a global business enterprise as a co-manager of the leadership team, making over 50 business decisions in all functions on a weekly basis. An ETS major field exam is required to pass this course. The ETS exam must be attended at the FSW Lee campus. See Canvas for date and time and room location. There is no grade associated with the ETS exam. However, anyone scoring 80% or better will receive a letter of recommendation from me on this significant achievement. Feel free to view the requirements for the academic business portfolio and the capstone research project early in the course to prepare you in advance. The team strategy simulation through Globus will start the last day to add drop courses. However, it is recommended that you review the participant's guide and videos under Module 1 prior to starting the simulation. Teams will include 3 to 4 members. Please complete the Globus availability to meet co-managers under Module 1 prior to the add drop course date. Many of you know each other from previous FSW courses, so feel free to reach out to your peers about forming teams. Keep in mind, you and your co-manager team will meet virtually on Globus every 2 hours, once a week during the simulation period. We will have a synchronous conference during Module 1 to discuss Globus and the course in more detail. The conference will be recorded and saved for 2 weeks for those who cannot attend the conference. This is a fully online course, and each week is represented by a different module. The best way to navigate this course is to go to the Modules tab in Canvas for the weekly assignments, due dates, and other course material required to complete each separate weekly module. There are also modules with general information, such as the course overview, instructor information, and course resources. Warning: skipping the modules section and only reviewing the grades page may result in misinformation. No late work will be accepted. Therefore, exercise good time management. If you need clarity about this course, please post to the Q&A discussion forum so others may benefit from the answers. If you have a personal issue or a question about a grade, please message me privately through Canvas Messenger. You may also contact me by telephone or text. Thank you, and I look forward to meeting you in this course.